Welcome to this Forge College Explainer. Today, we're totally unpacking the foundations of account abstraction on Solana.
Would you hand a stranger your master house key just to water your plants? Yeah, probably not.
But in Web3, we literally hand mobile apps our main private key for tiny, everyday transactions.
Okay, let's dive into this. Account abstraction shifts who can do what from static keys to programmable handlers.
Think of a Solana account like an exclusive club. Inside, it securely locks up LAN ports and serialized data. Now, the program owning that account is the club's bouncer, strictly enforcing all the house rules. And this brilliantly illustrates a massive difference we need to grasp: authentication versus authorization.
Right, so authentication is showing your ID. Authorization is the bouncer actually checking the VIP list.
Let's move on and see how this builds into concrete Solana code architecture.
Solana passes explicit account lists. The owner field tells you exactly where your custom authorization logic lives.
Signer flags give authentication hints, while account data holds persistent stuff, like nonces and session records.
So, the crucial point is, treating the program as a gatekeeper totally centralizes your replay protection.
This unlocks the ultimate payoff: session keys. Think of them like a super restricted temporary guest pass.
Step 1. The user calls create session, sticking a public key and a tight policy into the account data. Step 2. The client transacts. Our gatekeeper verifies the allowed instruction, the expiration time, and a fresh nonce.
Finally, Step 3. The session safely dies through an explicit owner revoke or an automatic slot-based expiration.
Your gatekeeper can then safely execute changes for the account using cross-program invocations and PDAs.
Now, what's really interesting here is the trade-off. You absolutely must trust your gatekeeper's custom logic.
To stay safe, keep session entries tiny, limit permitted instructions, and fiercely maintain those per-session nonces.
So will programmable gatekeepers eventually make master private keys totally invisible to everyday Web3 users?
I hope this sparked your curiosity. Be sure to visit forge.college to continue your Web3 development journey.